For NVIDIA, use GeForce Experience. Please open your app to see this link. For AMD, use AMD Adrenalin. Please open your app to see this link. Install the latest WQH certified drivers. Restart your PC after installing. Step 2. Enable DirectX 12 in Windows 1. Press Windows R, type Optional Features, and hit Enter. 2. In the Windows Features window, make sure Direct Play is enabled. While DirectX 12 is built into Windows 10/11, ensure your system is fully updated. Next step. Step 3. Update Windows 1. Go to Settings, Windows Update. 2. Click Check for Updates and install everything. 3. Restart your PC afterward. Step 4. Use compatibility settings. 1. Go to the Wuchang game folder. For Game Pass games, you can't access .exe directly, but you can right-click the game from the Start menu, More, App Settings. 2. If you can access the .exe in some systems, right-click wuchang.exe Properties, Compatibility. Enable Run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8. Check Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Check Run this program as administrator. Click Apply. Step 5. Adjust graphics settings in Xbox App. 1. Open the Xbox app. Right-click Wuchang Manage. 2. Disable high graphics settings if they are enabled by default. 3. Try launching with lower resolutions windowed mode if possible. Have Step 6. Repair or reset the game. 1. Go to Settings, Apps, Installed Apps. 2. Search for Wuchang. Click the 3 dots, Advanced Options. 3. Select Repair. If that fails, choose Reset. Step 7. Ensure DirectX Runtime is installed. 1. Download the DirectX End-User Runtime Web Installer from Microsoft. https:/www.microsoft.com/ens/downloaddetails.aspx ID35. Please open your app to see this link. Install and restart. 2. Optional Step 8. Reinstall the game. If the issue persists, uninstall Wuchang via the Xbox app. Reboot your PC. Reinstall the game. Our bonus, if you know advanced tweaks. Try adding a launch option if possible in future updates. DX12 or D3D12 to enforce DX12 mode. Game Pass games may not support this natively yet. Summary, fix, purpose, update GPU drivers, ensures DX12 compatibility, enable Windows features, make sure Direct Play is active, update Windows, fixes DX12 crash issues, compatibility mode, fixes legacy crashes, repair game, fix corrupted files, DirectX runtime, reinstalls core DX files.